Alright, so we have our cabinet cut out, and I went ahead and, prior to recording, cut out the grooves to set the backer board and all that. So there's little channels. I'll show you. There's little channels where the backer board slides in. So we're going to go ahead and drill holes, and then we'll fasten it so we can, you know, do what we got to do. But isn't it incredible? It's the same color as the cabinets that we have up there. So we're going to pre-drill over on the corner here. So we managed to cut into both pieces, and that turned out good. And by the way, so you can see some gaps here. I don't know if you can tell, but let me take care of this first. I'm gonna temporarily fasten it so I can work on the other side, back and front, without it falling apart. Okay, we got one side. Okay. So that's fastened down. This thing won't come apart, as you can see. It's nice and sturdy, but we're not done with it yet. Okay. We got one side fixed. It's funny because I actually was able to bend with heat. Was able to bend that bit with heat. So, not a good bit. It's a little Dremel bit, but it was the right size for what we're doing. Okay. Okay. We'll fix this side now. I think we have one more side, that other side over there. And then at least we have a semblance of a cabinet. Alright. Let's take care of this side. So we're just trying to get this cabinet done and move on to the next projects. But you want to see just what's going on, what all's going on. Keep track of my channel. And yeah, follow my repair adventures. I still have to do some doors. I think there's flooring in my future. You know, in a short amount of time. Just a bunch of stuff. I'm just gonna film all of it. Okay. So we got our cabinet just about done. Alright, so by the way, it's gonna rain again. Every day. Every day, non-stop, torrential. Anyhow, I secured the top hardware, and we have the bottom hardware now to do. and I'll just use the awl. And I marked up here. And I marked here. See, I got them marked out, and we'll screw it in now. We got one more to take care of. Right under here. Well, all right. We have our door. There's a little bit of an adjustment that needs to take place, but it's working. So we'll do the next door, and then we'll start working on the edge banding. I'll get back to you. You can hear the thunder, but thank goodness at least we got this part done, and we can take this in and do the what do you call that? The edge banding inside. So we got the doors. Just a little bit of adjustment with the doors, which we can take care of. And notice how these are at the top? I gotta switch them around, so we'll do that. I'll take this in, and I gotta take the table saw inside because it's gonna rain. Right, so we're inside, and I have my edge banding here, and we're gonna edge band this. But scissors. I could have done this, and it should be done prior to assembling, but I didn't do that. I don't know what the reason was. Oh, I was just desperate to get the box built, which is never a good way to go about it. But we need to adjust these doors a little bit, but the hardware can move up and down and in and out, so I've got control of the adjustments of the doors. So we'll just do this number, cut it off a little excess here. I'll do the rest of it, and I'll do the rest of the banding on the bottom. I'll catch you guys next time. The next episode I think that we'll go ahead and install the finished cabinet. Maybe I'll show you a side-by-side comparison to the before and after, something like that. But yeah.